What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. JP the install guy here. Hope to make your install life a little bit easier. Today we got a 2008 Dodge Sprinter, and I'm gonna show you how to take this radio out and install your own. These are the type of things that you're into. Consider subscribing. This is what we do here. Anything car audio install related, that's what the channel is about. So first thing we want to do is take our panel removal tool and come up here and pop that clip. Do the same thing on over, and then you can probably just pop. The whole thing is held in by all right, y'all. Next thing we gotta do is get this pocket out. It just pops out like that. Then it looks like all we have is 4 more Torx. Is gonna be one right here, one right there, one right there, and one right there. So let's go ahead and take those out. Take this harness out. All right, y'all, over here on the test bench, we got the dash kit. About to go ahead and get this radio put in. Don't worry about it. We'll have all of the links in the description for you. Since this is a double DIN, we want to cut that bar because that pocket that we took out, we're not going to use. So now that we cut that out, we want to take these little side pieces, put them right there. You want to take the trim piece, put it on there. Then we're going to take our radio. Since I'm doing this with one hand, I'm gonna face mine down. Put that radio in there like that. All right. All right, so we have that in there like that. Now I'm just gonna take the screws that came with it, and we're gonna put 2 on the left side and 2 on the right. Well, now that we're back in the vehicle, you're probably wondering, why didn't I actually go over the wiring part? Well, here at this channel, we mainly do radio removal and install videos, and I didn't want to go over the installation part every single time because we have over 375 videos right now, and everything is pretty much the same as long as you buy the right harness for your vehicle. Aftermarket wire harness's job is to convert your old factory wire colors to the aftermarket wire colors, so matching it up with a CD player is easy as possible. Now, if you don't know what those wires are, I do have a video showing you how to install a CD player, and not only that, I go very much so in depth with our new introduction to car audio course, which will be available at jptheinstallguy.com very soon. One thing that you do want to notice, I have no idea what this wire is, but this has screws at the top and screws at the bottom, but we didn't take any screws out on the bottom part where the pocket was. We just snatched it out. So what we're going to end up doing is these 2 bottom screws, we're going to end up taking them out, putting the dash kit in, and then putting those back in place, so we have 1, 2 at the bottom and 2 at the top to secure the radio. All right, y'all, so that's what it looked like when it's all said and done, man. If you guys find any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. I will try to find as many product links as possible and put them in the description, and that Patreon link, if somebody wants to be a furthermore supporter, that link is in the description as well. Till next time, this is your boy JP signing out, and I hope everybody has a blessed day.